I love how we just skipped the entire story and just went to this part.
Snap his neck.
Die, Pope Jimmy.
Is that normal?
No.
And it's probably fine.
Yo, it's the Digi Lockpig mini game from Starfield.
That was violent.
Yeah, that's why it's rated M.
I don't think I'm allowed to play this.
I don't
game.
think I don't feel comfortable playing this anymore.
Wait, I looked away. Do it again.
Oh no.
Where's the other 2 players in this cutscene?
They're right here. Hello.
It's just the weird camera angles. They were just behind the other guys.
Yeah, they're just behind them. Matt. Matt.
Matt.
Oh no.
Matt.
Oh, a fallen warrior. He had all the good stuff too. Oh, there he is.
No.
He's back.
He just looks at his own body fall down. No. Your stuff's right there if you want it.
Oh, I forgot my sword.
Oh, you forgot your sword?
Don't you hate when that happens? It was basically empty. Don't you hate when you forget your sword?
Your sword.
Yeah.
I'm still
Wow.
stuck on the sword being empty part. That happens?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has ammo.
I have to give it
Oh,
compliments
you
every
guys
day
moved on
so
and
it
you
doesn't
didn't
feel
even kill
empty.
everyone.
In Tears of My Kingdom, my swords. Tears of the Kingdom.
Tears of the Kingdom.
My swords
Tears
have
of
ammo
my
too.
kingdom.
Tears of my kingdom.
Oh.
That's the
Yeah.
new name. That's the new name.
Tears of my kingdom.
Front butt, tears of his kingdoms. That sounds violent.
Front butt, tears of my kingdom.
Hey, a sword, Matt.
Yeah,
Is
my
that-
sword runs off
I feel like
compliments.
that's
It
more of
has
a
to be in a good
sequel
mood.
title.
It should be called front butt of my kingdom.
Front
Kingdom
butt
of my front butt.
Kingdom of my front. That's the sequel. All right, go in the hole, boys. The hole. The blue,
Hole?
shiny, flashing hole.
Oh, the blue.
The blue hole.
This is blue.
Oh, yeah.
Blue hole. And pirates. International Pirate Month.
Go to player ID. You can
What?
change your nameplate.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh.
Disability Pride Month. Woo!
Oh, I
I
see
am
the
s-
terminal
I'm
network.
so
Yeah.
ready, guys.
Did you say Disability Pride Month?
Yeah. Can you see my nameplate? Is it different?
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
that's so dope.
Oh.
There's like this one.
Whoa, it's like Thor.
Oh.
That's dope.
Oh, there's
Oh,
oh, so pretty. And oh, this is the best one.
Xbox.
Oh,
We use the
Xbox.
ring of death. Whoa. That was weird.
Oh, guess we didn't need that lore.
Nope.
Time to kill things.
Wow.
Wow, that's a lot of things.
Mama told me not to touch the moving creatures. Secret tunnel.
Hey guys, I found the butthole. Oh, God.
No. Don't go in.
I'm going
I
in.
would've-
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
Ah! Oh, it's really spacious in here.
Ooh, I have a sword. When did I get that?
No comment.
I'm gonna go. I'm
Oh,
gonna
I'm
stop
zoomed
there.
out.
I'll stop there.
Dude, fall over, butt.
How do you call those things butts? Ah!
Don't they look like giant butts?
They're attacking me. Butts. Attacking
Oh,
butts.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Oh.
It will
Ow,
not
ow,
be-
ow, ow.
Whoa, we spawned.
They're shooting the poop out of me. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
That was me.
Oh, sorry. I panicked. Panicked.
You were an alien.
Ow,
I
ow.
shot you. All aliens, you all look the
Now
same.
that's racist.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Where are we going?
I'm Tub. Steven's Wub.
Wub, Tub, and Rob.
It's for the record,
I
we
go
picked
back-
that without knowing each other's thing. But this thing is pulsating. I don't like it.
Ooh,
Oh, I
oh,
can
oh,
break
oh, don't say that.
Whoa,
Oh,
don't talk
whoa.
about the pulsating butthole. I'm coming, Rob.
Cha, cha, cha.
Alright, there we go. Oh, he's
He's like
just
sitting down.
He's sitting down.
Look at this guy.
That's awesome.
Look at him, just sitting down.
He's got a mouth too. Look at him.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
He's just chilling, like, needs
He had a long day at work,
Yeah,
guys.
he had a-
need to sit.
Oh
He
gosh.
finally-
Oh, sorry. That was my fault, Wub.
Wub.
I'm so sorry, Wub.
Yeah, we sound
Oh,
like
this
a-
guy's stuck in the wall.
all of our names together are a dubstep song, guys.
But
Sit
guys,
over
all get into his face.
Yeah, let's all get into his face. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
don't
not
kill
yet.
him.
Oh, what
Oh.
happened to him? Oh, here he is.
His face.
Hello.
His poor face.
Oh, the poor. Not. Look how they massacred my boy.
Tentacle.
Likes the like.
Hello.
Oh, I'm back.
Hey.
Whose voice was that?
Oh, that was my soundboard.
That was creepy. Hey, this
No, it was
is.
creepy.
Hey, this is.
No, it was Navi from Ocarina of Time. The hey, listen.
Oh.
He's a
Is this
hacker.
where
It's
we're
because I'm
supposed to go, Jake?
schizo.
Oh, Steven, where are you going?
I don't know.
I thought
I'm
you were Matt for a
following
second.
you. I'm literally.
I released
Oh,
them
sorry.
all. I'm
sorry. I got
didn't mean
Tub
to
and
do that.
Wub mixed
Oh,
up. My bad.
My bad.
Okay.
I got Tub.
Okay.
Consider
So-
revenge for earlier.
Wait,
Not
what? Oh.
here.
Now that hurted a lot.
Waiting
There-
to respawn.
there
Area
goes-
not
there
safe.
goes.
Ow,
He
ow,
made him
ow,
go
ow.
back.
No, it looks
Area
pretty
not
Area is
safe.
not
It looks
No,
pretty
it's-
safe.
ow, ow. Oh. Yeah, it was safe, you know?
100% safe.
Oh man.
Well,
Ah,
I don't know how we
Oh,
managed to
oh.
die there. That was a super safe area.
yeah, I don't know. I felt like I was at home.
yeah. I'm sorry, Steven.
Oof.
I
Alright.
kindly request that you stop walking in front of my bullets.
I
Ah.
did it.
It's a very
To
kind
me,
request
it
of you.
very much looked like I shot you in the back a
Oh.
couple
Oh,
times.
sorry. Oh, that's who's shooting me. That was you.
Oh.
Oh no, they got
That
me!
makes more sense.
No. Guys, I'm stuck.
Oh, Steven.
Oh,
I'm back.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Oh,
Nice stick.
Where are we?
Wait,
we
We
are in
are
the grave mine.
In Gravemind.
He's like an organism, and he's the reason why the Catholic aliens are trying to. Oh, I think you did it, Matt.
Breach the
Uh-oh.
stasis.
Oh, I have a frame every
Whoa.
3 seconds.
I'm
Yeah,
frozen.
I'm-
yeah, I'm frozen. Yeah.
oh,
What's happening?
I think my
There's-
game froze.
Oh,
There's
no,
white
yeah,
light
mine's-
everywhere.
Yeah, I can look around, but
Yeah,
Oh,
Oh, oh,
Wow!
oh.
There we go.
there's two of us.
I thought there were 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Five with Cortana, right?
Oh, sorry.
Wait.
Sorry, there's. Wait, why was
Now
I
there's 3 of
spectating
us.
you?
Now there's three of us.
No, now there's 4 of us.
Oh, well, there
Wait,
was.
wait,
You were
is there
dead.
3 of us?
I don't know. What
I didn't even realize I was dead.
Yeah. That's how the Catholics make you think.
God.
You ain't feel
Oh,
death
no,
anymore.
They're infecting me.
Oh
I know.
Guys, you gotta put me
Wait,
down.
wait. If
You're
wait.
gonna have a Catholic baby if you don't.
No, the Catholics are the covenant guys.
Oh,
What's
sorry.
the wait? If that is the case, what are the flood to the Catholics?
The Flood are like Protestants.
They're like zombies.
So they're us.
Wait, this can't be right, is it?
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you got it. Oh no,
Yep,
the other way.
Keep
Sorry.
going.
This
Oh,
way.
I'm backwards.
Okay.
Backwards to go forwards.
Wait. What?
Forwards
this
to
was
go
the way.
forwards.
I thought this was the way. What the heck?
Go left, up, down.
Left, right.
This is right, but I think it's the next one.
Oh, it's the next one. Oh, we gotta keep going. Oh, he's got a grenade.
Nice, sticky.
Thank you. Oh, there's more.
Over the head.
Ah!
Dead?
Yikes.
No, Wub.
I'm
You will be forgot or remembered,
Oh, God!
not forgotten. Oh, we're dead.
You will be forgotten.
You will be forgotten.
That is a promise.
You will be.
Catholics
oh,
will rewrite
gosh.
history.
Wub, don't die. Get
I
in the
died.
circle.
Rob's dead.
Yeah,
I'm
you
good, I'm
saved
good,
us
I'm
all.
Oh, yay.
You did it, Wub.
Yay. Here we
Let's
go.
go.
Guys, I
Now we
found
have
the
to go
hole.
forwards. We have to go
No,
backwards to go
backwards.
forward.
Backwards. Go that way.
Oh, oh,
Sorry.
not that far backwards. I want to live.
Am I
Go back. Go.
wrong?
Where are you
Oh, I
going?
was just kidding. It was just a joke. I meant I didn't want to lose my life. I didn't want to go back to where I wasn't living.
What?
I said I didn't want to go that far back
Oh.
in my life. Don't go that way.
There's so much
Would
pink
easily.
slime everywhere.
We're exploding.
Go through the butt.
Big butts.
Cannot lie.
Oh, go Wub, go.
Go. Hey,
Go.
how do you change? Oh. Oh. Oh!
Go
Don't
to
go
the
down!
ship.
No! Don't go
To
down!
the
there.
ship.
The ship!
this
The
freedom?
ship! The ship! The
No.
ship! Ship!
The ship will give you
Ship.
freedom.
Oh, we did.
Oh,
It.
okay.
Yay, freedom!
All right. We're like go off the edge. No, don't.
Yeah, you guys are about to jump
Go.
off. It's not that
okay,
kind of
I
mission.
wanted to.
Wesley, are you there?
He was. Thought.
Wesley.
Sweetest guide, Rob the Butcher.
Yeah.
Swedish guide.
It's like a default Xbox 360 tag.
Hey, that's my default Xbox 360 tag.
I mean, it's a good one. I've seen
Yeah.
worse.
Yeah, I've seen worse.
Everyone calls me sweatiest guy.
Sweatiest guy.
Like, what's
should-
up, sweatiest?
You should name it. You should change it.
Yeah, I thought about it.
To sweatiest?
Oh,
What
we're
the heck?
okay.
What?
What?
Who
That
did
was
it?
weird.
What?
Who did it?
What?
It was the
Some-
Protestants.
The
They came back.
Protestants. Oh, hey, there's some shotguns.
They followed
guys.
us.
Guys,
Good
there's some
match.
Oh
shotguns here.
no!
What
Oh,
happened?
hey, I still have
Retaliation.
Master Chief's gun.
Oh, I felt.
What was that? Oh, we can get the
Holy
skull.
crap.
already.
Oh, we should go to the school. Yeah.
Yeah, it's right over here.
Oh, you guys
Isn't it the
left.
no HUD school though?
Steven! Over hither. Come hither. Come hither, my boy.
He's ready. He's
Why
ready
did
to leave.
You have weapons.
Isn't there also like an Easter egg?
Later on.
Easter
Yeah.
egg.
Yeah.
Alright, so turn to your right.
To the white. To the white. To the white.
White of the snow. There it is.
Uh,
Yay, the skull.
Can I eat
Wait,
it?
what?
I'm hungry.
Oh, we got it. That's
We
what it
got
does
it.
to you.
We got the skull.
Alright.
Ooh!
What? Again?
Why is
Honestly,
that
it happens every time. We restarted the mission.
Wait, who's holding the rockets?
Jump off.
Oh, I almost got you! Oh!
Restart.
Uh,
Alright.
jump
I
off!
think we. Wait, what? Can you last checkpoint?
Jump
Take-
off, everybody! Guys, I'll just restart the mission. Restart, let's check.
Yeah.
There we
yeah,
go.
that's what-
That's
there it
better.
is.
All right.
All right. I
Don't-
think we took care of the
don't-
Protestants.
Okay, we get
All right.
There's guns.
goons.
I got a
Hey,
sniper.
the Protestants are back.
No.
All right, let's go.
No.
boys.
it
Oh,
wasn't
how'd you
fun.
get up there?
Magic. All right. Someone else can grab the skull this time.
Yeah.
I don't want to grab this skull.
Yeah. if it
I don't
blows
think
me
it'll blow
I
up
don't-
this time.
Oh, okay.
We all know what happened last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
The
Yeah,
skull-
but
the
Master Chief
skull
won't blow
turned
up
us
this
on each
time.
other.
I don't think it does. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's like an oddball.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's like a 50-50 chance?
Yeah.
Not that kind
No,
of
not
oddball.
that kind of oddball.
What do I do with it now?
You can just
Wait, does
carry
that
it and melee it.
Carry it all the way to the end.
Does that mean I lost my sniper gun? Oh no, there it
No,
is.
no, no. It's just like a pickup, like a turret.
I'll carry the skull.
I want to carry
Oh,
this
you want to
skull.
carry it? There you go.
I want to carry
I
it,
want to
Daddy.
carry the skull.
Wait, where,
No, I want to
I
carry
want to
it.
carry a skull. Oh, you look so cute. Look, you looks like you're praying. He's a Protestant. Boom!
He's a Catholic.
Kill him!
Kill him.
Ah!
Oh, dang it.
Ah!
Wait, no, I
Kill
killed
him.
him.
Kill him!
You almost,
Kill
I killed
him.
him.
No.
Wait, he's,
Kill
wait, where'd
him!
the skull go?
Kill
Wait,
him.
guys, where'd the skull go? I
I'm
want
not
it.
a Catholic.
I'm not a Catholic. Oh,
Where's
wait.
the skull?
The skull did some terrible things to me.
It's back there.
All right, let's do that again.
I
It's
want
like
the
the
skull.
it's like the ring
Let's
of
do
power.
that again, guys. All right.
Why?
All right,
Yeah,
here we
they
go.
make us do crazy things.
I know that skull.
Does
like
it
the ring-
actually do something when you bring it all the way to the end?
No,
Oh, Steven.
Oh,
you're supposed to pick it up once and be
that was
done.
close. It does look like you're praying.
I promise I'm not.
Yeah, you better promise, you Catholic.
I'm not a Catholic.
Forgive me.
Bash me with the head of Thanksgiving.
Little do my teammates know,
Yeah.
this is the fresh human skull of a human I have just captured and eaten.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
oh,
That makes more sense why you're an alien.
I will
Oh.
now proceed to kill people with my last feast.
Anybody want the hammer?
Yep.
Oh, the skull. Oh, okay.
The skull. It's in the rubble.
I got it. There we go. Ah!
behind us.
Oh gosh.
Ah!
Nice, you did it.
Holy crap!
Rocket launcher.
Use the hammer.
Out of ammo.
Blammo. Oh my god!
So many guys.
Ah!
Amish. Those are the
Amish?
Amish.
We're fighting the
Yep.
Amish now?
No, they're the good guys.
Oh, okay.
They're like neutral.
So they're the Irish.
The Irish Amish.
Irish Amish, yeah.
Ironic.
Irish.
Irish, yeah.
That just sounds racist. Irish.
Sounds like a slur of some
Sounds
sort.
like a slur. Oh god.
I got died. I got
I
died.
got unalived,
No.
guys. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive back.
I'm moited.
I'm moited.
I think someone stepped in front of me and I exploded myself.
So you go up to that little ledge there, that little like divot where
Bro,
you're
why
at.
are you guys doing this? Bad guys are still
Oh,
coming.
I
You know
fell.
that, right? Oh, this one.
Ow! Ow! Hey! Ow! Stop it! Ow! Watch out, Steve.
I
Oh,
died. Who
Oh my
killed
God.
me? No, my laser!
The guys in the sky are killing us.
Oh no, it's
Oh!
Sergeant
Oh!
Blackman.
What the heck?
Oh,
what?
Oh, he
Whoa!
killed us all.
He's hostile.
Sergeant Blackman destroyed us.
Maybe we shouldn't kill him so many times. Oh no!
No, we're all the
Wow,
way
that was
back.
so
We're
far
all
back.
No.
That's why there's no racism, guys.
Oh, I see him.
Wait,
I see him
don't
over
you have-
here.
I have
Is
it
your
right now.
laser empty?
No, I have it's
Oh,
infinite.
he's
I
green.
found it.
He's green.
Oh no, there's no weapons to swap out. No, kill me!
Wait,
Somebody
wait,
kill me!
wait.
Somebody kill me!
yeah.
Quick!
Hold
Stop
still.
moving.
Thanks.
He's a Catholic. Kill him. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it
Don't
up.
pick it up! Don't pick it up! Are you good? Yeah, we're good. He's not killing us.
Yeah, I don't have it out. He's fine.
Wait, did you grab the laser,
Okay.
Jacob?
Yeah.
No! Yeah, kill him.
Wait, how did he die? Did you kill him?
No, the robot killed him. Oh my your body.
That's weird.
Word.
Whoa, that's me.
Yeah. Hey, there's ammo. All right.
I only have one gun.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
why we want that laser out here.
Yep. Run up the hill.
Here, follow us. Oh, Jacob, no.
Everything is against us,
Jacob,
Steven.
no. Jacob,
In the
we're
air.
going.
Oh,
Oh, so shoot-
Kill yourself, Jacob. Kill
Yeah.
yourself. Guys, there's a reason why I told him this. When you killed yourself, you respawn. Simple as that.
what? What?
There's no way to get
Take
back
that.
from
Is that
it.
any
How
way to
rude.
talk to a friend?
I mean, unalive
No,
guy
don't
in the
do it.
game. He's like, I've never heard you say that before.
Yeah, that's so mean. Is that
Yeah.
really how you
That's
feel about
really
me?
mean. Oh, I
How
died.
Are you guys all dead?
I figured out how to kill myself.
There goes
Let's
the,
go.
Guys, I found the respawn button of
I have a
life.
turret,
Hey guys.
and it's shooting me.
Uh,
I hate
I'm
to
back.
say this, but I lost the laser.
No! Die, you Protestant!
What? Ow! There's blood in this game.
Yes.
I'm guessing this.
Oh, I got him.
Oh no! Survive, Wub! Survive!
All
Sorry.
right,
I'm dead. I die.
I think Jake survived.
I'm going, boys, to the
Yippee.
big
To
man
the
in the
end.
sky.
Standing straight.
Oh, that would be me.
Oh, you guys spawned in the
Oh, I'm
air.
back.
Oh gosh, I died. Okay,
Oh.
that was
How'd you
quick.
die?
All right, boys.
Yeah.
Ooh, do I get a drive? I want to
You
drive.
can if you want.
can drive.
I
Just,
want to
make
shoot
sure you
the shiny
follow.
one.
Follow
All right,
me.
Rob.
All right,
Oh
Tub,
wow,
let's
look
do
at that
this.
skybox. It's so
Robin,
beautiful.
Wub and Rob.
Oh, Wub and Rob.
Whoop and Rob. That's our.
Hit him!
Uh,
Oh, you missed.
No.
Go for the frigate. Head for the
You have
frigate.
it, Tiny.
Okay,
I'm
got
coming.
it.
I'm coming. Ugh.
We're faster than you.
Honk your horn.
We're just better drivers. That's not doesn't mean you're fast.
Yeah. Head for the frigate. Head for the. Not
what?
that frigate!
Watch out. Let's see if I remember where to go. What the?
Oh,
Fuck!
Keep going!
He can't keep going if he's under the map.
Oh, we're dead.
No, we hit a jump.
Everybody's dead.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Did you jump out and let
Hey, what did you do?
That was weird. Head for the
You
frigate.
pushed through the
That
floor.
was strategic suicide.
Yeah.
Oh no! Is that
Sorry,
is
I'm
that
Now
alive.
they
this
won't
bird?
see
No.
it coming.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm crying over here. Oh.
It's okay. Watch out for the hole in the ground.
Guys, I went
I'm
through
trying.
the floor. There was no hole in the
That was weird. You like
Yeah.
flew. That was
Oh, God.
weird.
Literally
Yep,
just,
there it is.
Fell through it.
Again? Make it?
I got it. Nope.
Is that
Oh.
just because we're so far behind them?
We did
Yeah,
it.
because we're so
Probably
far
it's
behind.
mostly
here.
timed.
It'll
Wait, wait,
spawn-
wait, wait,
oh,
wait,
yeah,
wait,
there's-
wait. Let them get. Wait, 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 wait. Go back. There's a warhog
No,
back there.
you guys keep going. Go.
There's a
go.
warhog.
Just keep going. There's no
There's a
time.
warhog!
There's so epic.
Are you gonna lose? Okay.
Go, Jimmy.
No.
I didn't want to go in the hole. Did you want to
That's-
die
Oh, my
again?
body.
You're doing good.
Whoa,
You're doing
Wesley, you
good,
see
son.
this?
Go.
You made
Go,
it.
cradle the
Go
middle.
left.
Go in the middle.
Sick
Middle,
job.
middle,
Go
middle,
left.
middle.
Go left.
Oh yeah. No, you can go. No, that.
Go left. It's safer.
No, it's faster to go in the middle.
But
yeah,
it's
yeah,
more
there you go.
fun.
All right, now go in the middle. Now you can transfer over.
Yeah, now
That's
go in the
safe.
middle.
Yeah, you're fine. Just go.
Go middle.
Middle.
Okay, then go left.
Oh no, go center. Money shot.
Oh yeah, but that's dangerous.
That is dangerous. Yeah.
There's the money
There
shot.
we go. Oh yeah. Alien.
Honk your horn. Yeah. We're back.
boy.
We're back.
Oh god.
Oh, it was perfect. Keep
Oh,
going.
perfect.
Do a
Keep
flip.
going.
Okay, stop with the warthog.
Oh, is there more? There it is.
Don't go through the floor. Should
I'm going
should-
for that
yeah,
seat.
yeah, okay.
You guys keep
Go,
going.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Get
I like how
in.
we're just the side aliens and the main characters are dying. We're just the side characters, but we're
Oh gosh.
We're the
Yeah.
side characters that are low key better than the main.
yeah,
characters.
exactly.
Holy crap.
Not the story of Master Chief anymore.
It's the story of Front Butt and his buddy.
It's the story of Blarg and Honk. Or isn't that right, Honk?
Yes, sir.
Oh my
I
gosh!
thought those were swapped. I thought you were Honk and he was Blarg.
No, I'm
Blarg
honk
and
'cause I honk
Honk.
the horn.
Blarg and Honk. How do you think he got his name?
Honk.
Exactly.
He's great at it.
I'm almost caught up to you guys, by the way.
Perfect.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You can't catch up to Honk and Blarg.
The main
You're
character.
honkity
The
Blarg
main
Blarg.
character
Possible.
energy is so
Take
strong.
the fall. Okay.
I got you.
We're
I got
taking
you.
this piece of platform with
I'm gonna
us.
take this platform with me. No, somebody please Honk.
Oh,
Oh gosh, we all
All
died.
fail the same job.
how far back is it gonna put us?
Honk, you led us to the astray.
Oh,
Oh
no.
no!
way!
We didn't get a single checkpoint.
Oh, man.
You want me to drive Honk?
Slow down so we can
Yeah.
All right, Blarg will drive. Honk will shoot.
Honk will honk, but with a turret.
Honk will honk a turret. That's not the turret. No shoot.
Oh!
Okay.
Dang.
All right. Well, let's start at the beginning.
No.
Okay.
Somebody
Oh
Chloe
my
and Honk.
God.
Kill him.
Alright.
No, okay. All right, let's go. We actually almost
Alright,
got
let's
to him,
go.
so I think we're okay. Oh my god. I can't breathe, guys.
Sorry.
This is our story, not yours.
Yeah. Take that, you honkity Blarg one.
God, no! We're almost there, Steven.
Uh,
Oh god, no!
Yeah, we won.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm going back for the Steven behind us.
Behind us.
You got a checkpoint.
Get in!
Yeah.
Why didn't we get the checkpoint
Oh.
last time?
I don't know. I
Good
think
job,
it's.
Mark.
I don't know. Clue.
Oh,
It's bugged.
alright, here we go.
Go honk.
Yeah.
Oh, we're almost
Oh,
there.
not
We're
that
so
far.
Not that
close.
way. Oh.
What the heck?
Everything wants to kill me.
Oh no!
Go! Whoa,
We
whoa,
saved
stick
her.
jump.
Jump.
Steven.
Yeah, we win again.
Which way do I go?
Oh no!
That way.
No.
But not into the
Keep
hole that
going,
way.
keep
Not
going.
into the hole that way.
No, we went through the hole. Oh gosh.
That's not
Wait, oh, I
down.
almost survived.
The right way.
Dang.
Oh,
you
checkpoint,
got a
get ready.
checkpoint? Question
Checkpoint.
mark?
Yeah, we got a
Yeah,
checkpoint,
we got a
guys.
checkpoint. Get ready. No. Wubba dub dub in the tub. Wub. All right, let's go.
All right, honk. 34th time's the charm.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do this.
Very much
Our
so.
name isn't Honkity Blarg.
What the heck?
Somebody just killed us,
It
guys.
just destroyed us.
We just died.
Our bodies.
Yippee!
This
Yeah,
is
we're
what
just
really
jumping.
happened.
Keep going.
Three.
We're good.
This is
Yeah, we did it.
Sorry.
Stupid drone guys off of us.
Yeah, go Blarg and honk.
Honk that, you Blarg face.
Oh no!
Oh gosh! We're good. That
We're
was
good,
just
we're
part of
good.
the. That's part of the story.
That was part of the bit.
Yeah, that's all
Even
part
though
of the
Cub
story.
is nothing without Wub.
No.
Yeah.
Are they ahead of
My
us
wub.
yet?
What are they ahead of us? We're dead.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah, we're ahead of you.
forgot.
We're technically ahead.
This is our story, Honk.
Hey, if I turn
They're
my
so
camera
far
on, yes,
behind
I'm
us.
ahead
I
of you.
forgot that they died.
Yeah.
Man.
It feels like they're in front of us.
Oh. It
Oh.
sure does.
Uh-oh.
Right after this
Keep
whole
going.
one.
We're fine, we're
Keep
fine.
going.
Why did you throw
Get
a
on.
grenade? Jacob. Oh.
I'm used to pressing
Alright.
F in
Oh.
Cyberpunk
All right,
to
Steven,
get
get ready. It's
Get
gonna.
there.
Steven, get ready.
Get
It's gonna.
there.
It's gonna spawn us. Get ready.
This is your ride,
Let's go.
folks. Checkpoint.
I'm sorry, Steven.
They should have damaged the ride a little bit so they would get in front of
Made it.
us.
We
Yeah.
were so close at the beginning part. What in the
Goodness
flippity
gracious.
flapper?
I don't know
Oh,
why.
God.
What is happening?
None of it saved.
This is good
Shoot
back
him,
here.
Steven. Shoot him.
I'm trying.
Okay. Oh God, I don't know if
Not
we're gonna
that
make it.
Protestant Catholics.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
Honkity honk honk. Blargy blarg honk.
Yeah. I'm
Jake, we're ahead
going.
of them.
Cortana.
Now we are. Yeah. Yep.
They're in the frigate.
We passed them. Good.
Oh, wait,
We're
what?
winning.
No, I'm kidding.
Nuh-uh.
We're winning.
Oh, it's the arrow keys
Oh.
to spectate. That's what you do. Okay. Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
we,
Matt.
we did this last time.
Oh
we did
my
this
God.
last time. We did the exact same thing. We did the exact. Oh my goodness.
Why doesn't
We
that
did the exact
point
same
out that
thing.
we
Whoa!
don't-
You guys are still alive? What?
Yeah,
Yeah.
how are you still going?
We made it.
Oh.
Oh yes, it does put us right here.
Yeah, we actually made a checkpoint.
Yippee!
I
Check
feel like we could make it if we don't slow down anymore. We'll see. Oh yeah, see, he pushed us. Oh, we are right on your booty.
crimes.
We are right on your guys' booty. Oh, suckers! Who's the main character?
No.
You're not the main character yet.
You are not the main character.
Hey,
That's
hey,
not
no,
your
no.
face. You honk butt.
You little honk blarg.
Sucker! Master
No, I
Chief.
died. No.
Oh, I tried throwing a grenade. It didn't work.
Story, what?
Oh, it's not.
No.
Push-
Arbiter,
push down,
do you think
dude.
we're gonna
It's
make
Not
down
it
the
their
road.
story.
alive?
It's not their story.
Yeah.
You can
Nope.
do this, right, Jake?
Oh yeah, I've done this so many times. I got this.
They're gonna mess up. Here in about
Yep.
60 seconds.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
They're gonna do exactly what we did.
Nope. Oh.
Yeah.
Yep. There we go.
Nah,
We're good.
guys, watch how.
No,
I
they
play.
didn't. They're gonna
fact-
fall like right over here though.
Yep.
Watch.
Yep.
Trust. Just trust.
Oh, we have a warthog up here.
Get ready, boys.
Oh my goodness. Get in. Go.
He got air.
What if I destroy the warthog?
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
I
you
wasn't
can't take my-
selected on the right grenade. Go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hurry, we gotta catch up.
Should I wait for them, Steven?
I don't know.
It's our story, you honk face.
Yeah, get out of our way, on.
All right, here we go. Oh,
I don't know if we're gonna
Oh,
make it.
no.
Oh my goodness.
I got it. I got it.
Oh, you made it.
we're
Yeah,
back, we're
boy.
back, we're good.
Yeah, boy. Oh God. Now I have to
Oh my
dodge
goodness.
this.
Oh no!
We're good. We're
Oh,
good.
God.
Honk that. Mark face. Get
Uh,
him.
no.
Shoot them.
No, we're good. We're good. No.
Oh my
no!
goodness, you Blarg face.
Oh, my life.
It's our
Blarg
story,
Honk.
you bunkers.
Yeah.
Go. Go. I think we're gonna make it. Oh.
Our
Oh,
only
goodness.
opponent is you.
Oh,
Oh God.
Oh,
Oh God.
Why are we?
Okay.
Oh God.
I
Oh
think
Look
they
at
no.
that
slowed
honky
down a
Blarg.
considerable amount.
Ah!
Yeah. It's our story.
Yeah.
32 minutes later.
It's a Wub's world, and we're all just living it.
5 minutes later, everybody.
Oh no.
Oh man. Oh, I forget.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
That was a huge spike.
That was... It just immediately crashes. Are you guys gonna make it in time? Oh,
I hope so.
Oh.
I'm bringing this
Oh,
platform with me.
no.
Never mind.
Dude, the spectating camera was wonky. Left, Matt. Left.
No.
No, I didn't know it fell that quickly. Or that far back.
I love
Who's the
how
main character now? Huh?
yeah, your bodies just fall down. What?
Whoa,
Oh
way
my
back in.
God.
Go!
So long ago.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Come on!
We're going. Oh my goodness.
oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh,
We gotta catch
no!
up.
I like ranch.
Why aren't we moving? What's going on?
That's weird. What is happening?
I don't know, man. I think you just suck.
They're just flying in the air. If they come up like, no, no, no!
Oh yeah.
That's what you get for
I'm back.
abandoning Honk and
Dude,
Blarg.
this is the
Yeah.
this is the like
Honk that.
biggest
Face.
this is the biggest game of Seesaw I've ever played.
Yeah.
Get it,
Dude,
boy!
my headset died twice.
Hey guys, could you just slow down a little bit?
No,
Nuh-uh.
it's our story.
Hey, we didn't shoot you.
Hey, even
That's
the main
true.
character needs
Steven,
to save his sidekick sometimes.
Let's see. I don't know.
You guys make it?
Oh, I think they just barely
No.
made it.
We
Oh,
did
no.
not. We almost
didn't
did.
make
we
it?
we were so close. Oh, that.
So-
Oh, that's so sad. Dude, every
Our
time
story, yeah.
every time you guys die, the spectator just follows the warthog as it's falling to the abyss.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
so funny. Right.
All right,
Take to the
I
right.
got this.
Oh,
I got it.
Uh-oh.
Now
We're
hog
good.
face you.
Hey, go to the left
Honk, honk,
a little
let's
bit. No, not that far. There you go.
Right here, right here.
Okay, now go left. Yep.
Up, down, sideways.
Left, right. Go, Steven, go.
Bye, Blargities.
Yeah. Okay, I think we got this. Come on.
And those guys are kind of honk faces, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay,
You
that was good.
two-faced
That was
honk.
good. That was good.
Good
That was
recovery,
really
good
good.
recovery.
Okay. Whoa, did you see that ragdoll? Oh yeah. Wesley, where can you get entertainment like this? Let's be real.
Yeah, nowhere else.
Nowhere else. You guys
Someone
are
should
going
have
the
been
wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, we're good,
Yeah!
We're back.
The tank.
Back in action.
No, you cannot catch up. That is
Hey,
against
yeah,
the
that's
law.
what I did.
Was-
Jake, what do you...
I-
Okay.
It is
Trust me.
morally,
I trust you.
legally,
Oh
and
my God.
Oh,
Oh
philosophically
my
wrong.
God. Okay, we're going to the money shot. Here we go. Stop
Why are you
killing
actually hitting me?
us! Stop
Why are
it!
you actually
We want to
hitting
go. We
Don't
want to
kill
be with you guys.
Don't kill them, don't kill them.
Don't kill us.
We'll both make it.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
It's everyone's story.
It's everyone's story.
It's a never-ending
Diversity
story.
is our strength, Matt.
The never-ending
The
story.
never-ending story. Oh, sorry about that, boys.
The story of Blarg Honk, Tub, Wub, and
And Rob. Oh, and is left.
oh, not too far left. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. All right, now I go this way.
Oh, there's so
All
much
right.
stink going on.
So close. Just
Uh-oh.
around this ridge right here is the end.
Just around and back.
We're gonna get there first. Main character
No.
How's this
energy.
whole thing not
Main
collapsed
character.
yet? Wait, what happened?
What?
I don't know.
What the? What?
I shot down one of the drones and we drove over it.
And it exploded and it shot us forward.
The forget Honk.
I'm going.
This is
Oh,
where
God.
our
What?
story
Wait,
ends.
All right, here we go,
Honk
boys.
you
Yeah.
blood face.
Ah!
We did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's us. That's us.
Hey, we're in this cutscene. Yay. God.
We might not be in the cutscenes, but everybody knows that we won.
Know it.
Oh no, Steven, watch out! Steven,
Oh,
no!
see, we're not getting. We're not about to be crushed by a tank.
Oh no,
Yeah,
Steven,
watch out,
no!
No.
Steven, are you okay? I'm okay. Yes.
I'm okay. Yes.
Okay.
Blue lady, help us, please.
Blue lady,
Oh, hang on, Steven.
woman, blue.
Hang on, Blarg and Honk.
I'm holding on.
Hang on.
Skill.
Oh, God.
Take your own advice, Jake.
I'm trying.
You're gonna make it?
I don't think so.
What happened to plot armor, man?
And salute for the fallen Honk and Blarg.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? We're gonna see him in the next scene.
Yeah, who
115.
the heck is this guy?
Yeah, that's not
Why
me.
is Skeletor in the corner?
You're dead to me.
You know, Halo 4 opens with a blue elite attacking Master Chief.
Ooh.
I think that's where Honk and Blarg go for. And we don't see the elite die. He just falls down a chasm or something.
Just down the.
Down the chute. So Blarg and Honk are still out there somewhere in the lore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
We've left our mark. We were important enough.
I mean, that's
Yeah.
one heck of a mark. Look at that ship.
yeah. It's like.
Is but a flesh wound. So why did we play Halo 3's campaign?
I don't know.